with your e-house's structural stability tackling natural disasters. We're proud that our e-houses protect some of our customers' most vital equipment. This is accomplished by our engineering team's unique interstructure skeleton support system and other supports. Our e-houses are designed to withstand some of Mother Nature's harshest conditions and natural disasters. Have you ever had an issue finding someone that can integrate, manufacture, and deliver turnkey product all in one? Well, our engineering team has the capabilities to fully integrate fire suppression systems, customer supplied equipment, along with medium and high voltage gear, thus allowing us to supply you a fully turnkey product. What makes this system unique is the 5 kV VFD 6 motor MCC lineup, the pressurization system, which allows us to use inert gas fire suppression systems. Email us below how Becker can fully integrate an e-house for you.